In the face of a global apocalypse, mental resilience is our paramount survival tool. It's the fortitude that lets us adapt, survive, and thrive. First on the list is acceptance. A mental apocalypse demands acknowledgement. Denial won't serve you. Understand the new reality, accept it, and prepare to navigate through it. Second, focus on adaptability. Things have changed, and so must you. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new conditions. It's about being flexible and open to new methods of survival. Third, cultivate positivity. A positive mindset can be your beacon in the darkest times. It's not about ignoring the harsh reality, but about finding the silver lining in the darkest cloud. Fourth, practice patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your new world. Patience allows you to take one step at a time, reduces anxiety, and prevents rash decisions. Lastly, embrace community. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection. In an apocalyptic world, a strong and supportive community can be your lifeline. Remember, mental resilience isn't built overnight. It's a skill honed over time through trials and tribulations. So start now because the clock is ticking. For more survival tips and strategies, subscribe to Apocalyptic Live. We're with you every step of the way.